All right. I'm going to vlog a little bit. Joe Saglimbeni here on his YouTube channel. Got the Osmo Action 5 Pro, 1080p, 60 frames, 16:9, subject tracking, the DJI Mini mic, or Mic Mini. How's it sound? Anyway, let's get into it. So today I was thinking about how I would start a channel now. And basically, I think I would just get my phone, something like this, hit record, and upload it to YouTube. It's really that simple. You know, 5 years ago when I started my channel, I remember all the video, or all the YouTube creators, they were pushing these digital cameras, these Canons and Sonys, and, you know, to create your channel. And you know what? I wish I didn't listen to them. Because they told me to get these mirrorless cameras, I ended up delaying my big YouTube debut. I'll never forget it, you know? I'll just never forget it. And, you know, I'm thinking, now that I have this Action 5 Pro, I never really vlogged back then, but now I'm vlogging. And, you know, that's what I should have did right away. I should have did that right away just to start. And I just think back 5 years ago when I was trying to create all these weird, crazy thumbnails with my face like this and shocked and in disbelief. And I really laugh at it now. And actually, if you look back at my old videos from 3 or 4 years ago, 5 years ago, it's pretty hilarious with all the emotions. You know, I tried to really make the thumbnails all different colors. I put too much wording in the thumbnail. And, you know, I just think about it now and I laugh. And now if I were to start a channel now, I would do exactly like this. Except, I mean, if I didn't have the money to get an Action 5 or a Pocket 3, I just would use my phone and I would vlog. I wouldn't even do like a talking head video. I would vlog. And the great thing about vlogging, which I didn't realize until I started vlogging with the Action 5, is that once you get used to it, once you get used to vlogging like this, outside, in the public, you know what? I think it makes you get less embarrassed, or because you do it so much and you kind of don't care about what anybody thinks. You know, it's a little bit difficult, but it's kind of great in a weird way. And I figure, come out here and it's looks rainy, overcast day. I got car alarms going on behind me. I don't even know if you hear it. I'm just out here, authentic, in a park, vlogging. And I wish I did that 5 years ago, more than 5 years ago, because I was thinking about doing a channel in 2019, almost a year before I started my channel. And the thing that was holding me up was my computer. Now remember this, my computer couldn't, well, the webcam, because I was so worried about the webcam, and it was terrible. I mean, I don't even know what the resolution was, what the camera was. It was awful. And you know, when I think about it, I even should have started on that webcam anyway, and just start. But I had a smartphone, I had an Android phone, I had this, I think 720p, and I didn't even think about just grabbing it, just putting it up there and vlogging. And I should have did it, because this is great. Me personally, this is great. I get out here outside in nature and I vlog, and I just kind of love it, man. And on my channel now, I really want to kind of go back to some of the talking head videos, but I find myself coming back to vlogging. And I don't know what I'm going to do. I mean, I'm probably going to change. I'm probably going to change the way I do YouTube now. Probably do more vlogging, less talking head. I don't know. You guys let me know below what you guys prefer, what you guys want to do if you create, or what you prefer from when you watch videos. Do you like vlogs? Do you like talking head videos? Comment below if you can. And while you're at it, you might as well subscribe if you like or unlike this video. It's okay. If you don't like it, it's fine. Engage. I like the engagement. It's good for the algorithm. But I was really thinking about this today, because on my feed a lot of times these videos come up about starting YouTube and how to start YouTube, and you know, figure out the algorithm, and you know, tags and thumbnails and visuals and cameras, and I don't know. I think it's kind of overblown. I see vloggers like regular vloggers who have just their, you know, just their thumbnail with their picture in it. They're doing just as good as these YouTube channels with great thumbnails and great visuals and crazy, wacky faces. I don't know. I kind of like doing this, to be honest with you. I really kind of like doing this. Right now I'm on mono, on the DJI Mic Mini. I have the DJI Mic Mini on top of the small rig case for my Action 5. So in the comments below, let me know how it sounds, how it looks. 1080p. I shoot 1080p really because the files are smaller and it's easier for me to edit. And I think in a vlog style, I don't think you need to shoot 4K. I mean, you could. I could shoot 4K. It's just that I want to get my flow at home when I edit. I want to just kind of get the video up and going. So until I get better software or a better computer, I think I'm going to shoot 1080 from now on. I mean, I'll test, you know, every once in a while I'll try 4K, but let me know what you think visually. Outcast day, it's kind of raining out here. That's what makes the Action 5 great, and I'm not worried about the rain. And then tell me what you think about the colors or anything. I shoot it pretty much the way it comes out of the camera, and I have no filter, and this is the way I shoot it. And let's see how it comes out. But So that's what I just want to say. That's what I want you guys, you new creators or any creator out there, you want to go out there and you want to start YouTube, just get whatever you have, whether it be a phone or a webcam, but preferably I think you get your phone, you go out and you vlog, and you get that first, you get those butterflies out of your system. You get on, upload it to YouTube, and start. I really think, I think you'll get motivated. You know, I mean, it might freak you out a little bit when you see yourself on the camera if you've never been filmed before, but I think it'll motivate you to create more. And hopefully I'm motivating you to create more, because ultimately what I want to do is motivate anyone, everyone, all ages, new, old, to go out there and create. I kind of love YouTube, and I'm glad I became a creator. I'm not monetized. I don't get many views. I'm probably going to get 30 views from this. Who knows? But to me, it's priceless. And it's also history that I can show my son in the future, and he'll get a kick and laugh, and we'll laugh together at it. And it'll just be great. So that's it, guys. Get out there, just start, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.